Hi everyone. So today's video, your hair's so soft, is going to be with my good friend Mariel, and we're going to do a scalp massage and also a little bit of hair brushing and other sounds. So I'm going to just start with brushing your hair. Actually, I should start at the bottom so I don't gotta get the tangles out from the bottom and then work my way up. Let me know if I hurt you, because that's not what I want to do.
You're okay.
Is it okay if I brush your hair with curls? Will that make it?
No, it's totally fine.
Some people are like, no, don't do it.
I like it because then it makes your hair like all fluffy.
It does, that's true. Your hair's very soft. Yeah, that's great. I hope that the camera can pick up brushing sounds, because that's the best part.
Do you usually film from like?
No, I normally film in the bathroom. That's funny as it sounds. I film in the bathroom because there's a door that I can close to keep the cats out, but they still come in. There's no keeping them out.
Everything you do is half offers.
It's very true. You know, they'll stick their paws into the door and like bang the door open, and I'm like, can you not?
Oh, I like your little stick figure over there.
Mike drew it.
I just noticed it.
Yeah, we got really creative last night.
Did we all of this last night?
Yeah. We wanted you to come over and bring shrooms, so then we'll get really creative.
Maybe our good friend can sponsor us. I'm so serious.
No, it's okay. I'm laughing because it's funny the way you said it. Our good friend.
About to be elevated to best friend status.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this argan oil.
And my hair needs that.
Does it bother you if I put it on your scalp or no?
No.
Oh, that's so rude. I don't know why. No, that's totally fine. He was totally fine. But I told him when I was going to be making videos, so he was like, okay.
Maybe like it's the difference between like saying it and then actually. But I don't know.
That's why I was like, you know, I'm going to be recording right here, so if you want to leave. He's like, no, it's fine, it's not bothering me. I was like, no, okay. Your hair's so fluffy.
This is so relaxing.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Deacon just catapulted.
It's probably like it's too quiet.
The ear's the best part. At least for me. Everybody feels something different though. No, I'm serious. People are like, I feel the tingles in my spine, and then other people are like, I feel it on my neck and my back, and I'm just like,
Yeah, I feel it along my head.
oh really? Sorry.
No, you're fine. You should totally get licensed.
your hair like that? You're funny. I want to get the Reiki healing thing. I think that would be pretty cool. It's $350, and I still have to get a binaural microphone. I know.
Our friend will sponsor.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush again since I kind of messed it all up a wee bit. Is your back okay? Like not being supported? I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. I'm just trying to keep good posture.
Okay. You gotta think of ideas to do for your channel.
I know. I'm just like.
You could do hand massage.
Oh, that's true.
You could do back massage, neck massage. You could do hair massage for me.
That's true.
Like just switch, and then you do the same thing for me. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
It's true. I feel like besides like the hypnotist ones, the role play ones are like really hard.
Yeah, they're hard because they always sometimes require props.
Yeah, and like some people like are really like they look like they go to places.
Yeah, like it's legit.
Like how do they do? They're they just like we're gonna film an ASMR video.
Actually, there's a place near me that I wanted to go and try and talk them into letting me rent their space. Your curls are so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and, I couldn't tell you the name. It's acronyms. It's like OSDES or something. But it's a massage place, acupuncture place.
Oh, that'd be cool.
So I thought maybe I could like, I'm just putting some gel in your hair to like intensify the curls. Yeah, so I actually wanted to see if like maybe I could like record in there. But I haven't done it yet.
That'd be cool.
We could both like, if we both get, enough money, we could like rent the space together and like it would be half. And then we could make videos for both of our channels.
That'd be really cool. And really like useful.
To have space without ants.
No, just to have like, cause in my dorm room like, the refrigerator makes a weird noise, so it's like it leaks into my videos, and I'm like, no.
Yep.
So that's the fun good.
This curly stuff is so fun. It's like just scrunching.
What is the M with the little like?
Oh, it's Scorpio and Pisces. They're supposed to be the most compatible signs. Yeah, so I put that there. And then I have a little infinity, like we're gonna be together forever. Yeah. Too cliche.
No, that's fine.
And then that Aproveita Cora is Portuguese for enjoy now. And then that Chinese symbol means happiness. I was literally on Pinterest on it, like, what can I put up here that's kind of cool?
And then Namaste, right?
Where
The
does
one
it say?
right below it.
I'm not sure what that is. I think it is, yeah. It's like some Hindu thing for Namaste.
Maybe.
I'm pretty sure I think you're right. And the one below, next to the flowers, is tranquil. And then that yellow one means honesty.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I thought they were kind of cool.
Put your Wi-Fi password up there. It'd take up like half the board.
Oh no, it is. You didn't see it? It's right there.
Oh.
Yeah, like above the guy pushing down the bookshelf.
That's awesome. And you picked like the perfect place to put it because it's like kind of hidden. Also.
But if you really wanted it, you'd be able to find it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go back and do some massaging. Have you looked into any visual ASMR?
Visual?
Like, it's literally visual ASMR. It's like you do something like a slow movement,
Oh no.
writing, hand movements in front of the camera.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of visual, but that's the hardest, I think.
Moving slowly.
Yeah, it's like you pretend you're a sloth.
Like your viewer is on acid, basically.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I like your gauges. Those are pretty.
Thanks, they're glow in the dark.
Are they really? That's sweet.
My boyfriend has blue ones, so I'm like, I'm gonna match you.
They had, when we went to Home Depot to get the chalkboard paint, they had glow-in-the-dark wall paint, and I was so tempted.
Oh my gosh, that'd look crazy cool.
Yeah, I was like, that's gonna be so sick.
Like, even if you did just, like, one room, like, if you had, like, a party room.
Mm-hmm. Party room.
Party room.
Every
yeah.
room's a party room in this house.
It's true.
Just kidding. It's only wherever Rufus is. That's where the party is.
Yes. What's that? I was gonna tell you something. Right, when that happens.
Yeah, it's okay. Just relax. If it's okay with you, I'm gonna go like a little bit longer. Like 20 minutes? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's totally fine.
You're probably like, yo, let's go 30.
Yeah. Whatever you want. Gosh, it's really unbuttoned. I can't remember what it was.
That's okay, we're fine, dear. This light really does make me.
Oh.
Wait. Oh, what is it?
Oh, that Andres, this Mike seems like a cool guy.
No. Yeah, he's a cool guy.
Yeah, and I was like,
They would get along.
yeah.
You hesitated.
No, I mean, like, yeah, but I wonder how he knows that. Like, it kind of like,
What do you mean?
how do you know that he's cool? You've never met him.
Well,
I mean, I've said, you know,
he's a cat guy.
Yeah, that's
how
true.
They get each other.
But I also said, I was like, yeah, Victoria and her boyfriend are so cute. Da-da-da. And he's like, huh.
You guys are cute too. I think you guys are well together.
We're just crazy.
Yeah.
Or I'm just crazy.
No,
He just, like, puts up with it.
You know who you're talking to?
Oh, like, you don't even know. Like, it's, not you, like,
No,
me.
no.
Like, I am just, that's how I got that reputation.
No, at all.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
not. You're awesome. I did a wee little braid.
Yay.
Alright, so now I think I'm gonna just kind of brush your hair with my fingers, if that's okay?
Oh, yeah, totally.
It'd be so cool if I had a binaural microphone though.
It's in your near future.
This is true. Keep my fingers crossed.
Your birthday's coming up.
It is 22.
Yep.
When is yours again?
August 6th. It's actually 2 days after my boyfriend's.
Are you a Leo?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And so is he.
Tiago's a Leo. His birthday's August 8th.
Did you, the shelter knew when he was born?
Mm-hmm. I actually looked them up, and I wrote them all down so I don't forget.
Oh.
Because Mia's, I had to remember when hers was, and I thought, I knew it was February, but I just couldn't remember the date.
Mm-hmm.
So hers is February 28th, and she's a Pisces, like me. No, I'm not even kidding. I found the site on Pinterest, and it's like cat.
Cat horoscopes.
Yeah, it was so true. Do you know when Blue was born? She's probably a summer
She was
baby.
8 weeks, yeah.
But we got her in September?
Yeah, we got her in like,
Or was it October?
no, it was like October. It was like early October. And then,
So she probably was born either August or September.
yeah. Probably August. So then she may be a Leo.
That's pretty cool. She's just a wee little nugget. I did it. It's a bun.
Yay.
Can you flip your hair over again?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna brush it down.
You should do one with Mike.
He's actually been in my videos, like, way back. When you really go back in my channel, he's been in a bunch. I'm gonna do a concussion test with him. Because he has so many, he knows how to do them.
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
Yeah. if he's up to it, we can all record it. We could have a collab with the three of us.
Oh yeah.
The next one that I need to do is the dentist roleplay.
You already picked it out.
Well, yeah, that's what a lot of people voted for, but like, I have to download. I need to buy dental tools.
Can you get like
flip your hair back?
Can you get play ones?
Yeah, they have them on Amazon.
That's so.
Like the little kid ones.
Yeah. I look like a lion when we're done.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
They never wanted that.
But like when I saw that Kate went out, I was like, but we went out like 2 weeks ago and like it was dead. So like.
Yeah, we went out.
On Tuesday.
You were going to come over. Was it Friday? Yeah, when you were going to come over Friday, we went out that night. But you weren't feeling well, so we went out right before the Skype session, and it was so dead. So we ended up coming back at like 11:30.
Oh my gosh.
We were only out for like an hour and a half. It was still super dead. It was actually CBP was better. It like got really crowded, but because I had to be back by midnight, like it.
Right.
Yeah.
Was it still like sports or was it like
No,
music?
remember we didn't get to go to the top.
Wait, I thought we did go.
Did we? No, I thought it was closed.
We went to the second floor.
Oh.
Is there a third floor?
No, you're right, we did. Anyway,
I was supposed to say it.
I totally forgot, I'm sorry.
That's fine. Be like, that's real fancy. 3 floors?
No, but I really want to go to this place in South. It's called the Get Down.
Oh, I've heard of that. I heard it was chill.
We should stop talking about our location. Sorry.
It's fine.
Your curls are so, like, they're like really soft waves. Not like, if you have like the good curly, not like frizzy curly.
It also helps. I put like some Body Shop in there.
Gotta love Body Shop.
Oh
Did
my
you bring
gosh.
me samples?
No, not this time, but we have a new like, well now I know, so the next time I see you, I'll give you some.
I'm
But
just
like,
teasing you.
no, but I literally only work one day. No, I was supposed to work Friday, but then like, you know, I had my problem, and then I'm only scheduled to work. Oh, thank you. I'm only scheduled to work one day this week, which sucks.
Wow.
Like money
But
wise.
you have time for other things.
That's true. For exciting things.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, but we have a new scent. It's called like Poppy.
I love poppies.
It smells like babies,
Oh.
but like in a good way, like
Children's.
like powdery, like a powdery soft scent. I'm addicted to it. Like, no, I want to put it on anymore, but it's really good. And then they got new lip stains, and they're really nice. I was about to buy like a shit ton of them.
I do like lip stains.
Yeah, they're just like.
I want to get so badly fake eyelash, like permanent ones.
Like forever?
No, it's like, well, they don't last forever. It's like dyeing your hair, but like they last like a couple months, so you don't have to wear mascara.
So they dye your eyelashes, or they like elongate them?
It's like extensions.
Oh, okay. No,
So
I've
it's
heard of
literally
that.
called
Yeah.
lash extensions, or you could do the tinting. But
Yeah, this blogger I know did that.
I had a friend at my old school who had it done, and I went to go with her, and it was like $250. I was like, yeah, no thanks. So maybe for my 22nd birthday, I'll get them.
That'd be cool.
I'll ask my family. I want fake lashes for a month. So then I could just wake up and go. It'd be so sweet.
Oh my gosh, and you'd have like perfect doe eyes. Not that your eyes aren't already really cool, but you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, I agree. I look like a boy with no mascara because I don't have any eyelashes. They're just not visible.
What's your natural? Are you like blonde or like light?
No,
brown?
I have. They're my eyebrow color. They're just really short.
Huh? I can never tell.
Well, it's because I wear mascara.
I've seen you without makeup.
That's true.
Yeah, those nights. Look at my body.
Where is he? Look at my body. He's too cute. hair looks so voluptuous.
It's all thanks to you. I usually don't even do this much with my hair, so this is like a treatment.
20 minutes of hair play.
Oh yeah.
The most relaxing thing is like, did you ever do that thing when you were in school and you did the egg? And they would just like...
No, wait, were they like break an egg
I
on
was
your
weird, no. When I was in like elementary school,
Mm-hmm.
you know, they had like a reading time or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And we would sit in a line and like play with each other's hair, and there was one girl named Elisa, and she would do this thing where she would go boop, boop, like she was cracking an egg, and she'd go, and it just would give me such chills. But
That's so interesting.
I didn't know what it was, so every time I'd be like, can you break an egg on my head? It's so weird.
Oh my gosh. That's so interesting.
Yeah, that's what happened. That was school for us. I'm gonna do a French braid if that's okay.
Yeah, that's so fine. I don't know how to do any of these fancy hair shit.
My mom always had me do her hair.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I had to learn.
My sister's the one who knows how to do all that shit.
Oh yeah, the younger one? Wait, do you only have a younger sister?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for some reason I thought you had. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. I wish.
Soundtrack. I ruined the video. Thanks.
I mean, we can always cut it shorter.
That's
Wait.
true.
What software do you use?
I'm sorry?
What software do you use?
I don't.
Ah.
Do you?
Sometimes.
You should show me. You should.
I shall show you.
You shall show.
Shall show you.
Durr.
It's okay.
Maybe can you edit it to make it like quieter?
I can try. I mean, like, I only know how to do that on iMovie, which is on like an Apple.
Mac, yeah.
Yeah, neither do I. So sometimes I try to fuck around on Windows. Right? 'Cause that's what you would have.
Yeah, I have Windows 8 up there. Sorry if I hurt you.
Oh no, you're fine. Maybe Windows 8's thing is fancier. I don't know. I just have Windows 7, so.
I have Windows 7 on all the other ones, and that one that my dad bought me, I have Windows 8, so I felt like I was being introduced to something new in the world, but I don't know how to work it.
That's okay, the learning curve is pretty steep. Like, when Ariel, when she got her new laptop, it had Windows 8, and I was like, what the fuck?
It's like really confusing.
Hell yeah.
Especially when you're still like trying to figure out Apple's update.
Yeah. Woo.
So, oh, that's good things. I keep apologizing. Yay, that looks cute.